Right now I'm coming over into Carolina's and Adam's house. We're gonna see the renovations that they did. It took over 7-8 months to renovate the whole house. So I'm coming over to see them right now. Hey, dude.
Hey.
What's going on?
Going? Welcome.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Drunk. All right. Hey, Frank.
Ho, Frankie, ho, Frankie.
It's my
How's
fat
everything?
dog.
How's everything?
Very good. This is my fat dog. Welcome to my house. This is Frank.
Oh,
Frank's
Frank.
fat. Family, stop hiding from me. Stop hiding. Where are they? There she is. This is my wife.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? Give me a kiss. It's enough. What?
Okay.
Don't get upset. Hey everybody, welcome. This is our house. We just renovated. My wife Carolyn is going to take it from here. She's the talker, as you know. Okay, so
We just recently did the entire home, the living room, kitchen, bathrooms, the bedrooms. Everything inside the house was redone from top to bottom, and we're so excited.
super excited.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
So, you know, we can't wait to show you guys. Everything was remodeled thanks to Sound Harbor Development. They did a great job, and Evelyn's Creations did all the designs for the home, and we're super excited to show you guys. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the cigar room. We call it the cigar room because even though it's like our outdoor porch area, we love to use this space to sit down, have a cocktail, have some cigars on the weekends after a long day. We're still getting some work done. As you can see, there are boxes here, but you know, we wanted the room to be very cozy, you know, dark colors as opposed to the rest of the house, so it's a nice contrast from the rest of the house that we have right now.
Yeah, we hang out here, kick it. You know, my wife, she always yells at me, says that we do too much of the man time thing. That's her problem, really, mostly, not mine. Andrew! Andrew!
So I know I also called this like the cigar room, but this is also like a man cave because we have the Xbox, we have the games that we love to play behind here. The guys love to just hang out here on the weekends, you know, play some rock band. It's also like our indoor-outdoor area because we have so much light in this room. And it's also Frank's room. He loves to hang out here.
Hey Frank, want some?
Frank!
Frank is into cigars, as you can tell.
So you're gonna notice that a lot of the pieces in here are pieces that were a part of the original house that were just reupholstered by Evelyn's Creations. She did a fantastic job. The whole team did a fantastic job redoing a lot of the furniture in this house. This is one of the pieces that we love here. It's a love seat that we have recreated.
Is that tuft?
With a tufted back here. And there's Frank in the back getting excited. Now we're moving into the dining room. This area used to be a living room and we converted it into a dining room. We just thought we could utilize the space better with that. This dining table was with my husband's family since the 1970s. They've had this in the family for a long time, and we had the table redone. The chairs were, of course, reupholstered by Evelyn's Creations, and we have this beautiful like gray and white print that goes with the whole room because we wanted to go with a neutral theme throughout the entire house. Don't mind the posters that we have sitting here, but we're just working on that.
These are actually,
Yeah.
Okay, these are actually pieces that we found through a guy up in Massachusetts. This poster is from 1890. It's a cigar and beer ad print that's going to be going in the cigar room. And this is a poster issued by the US government in 1946 of a woman very proud to be canning food.
Okay, moving on from the dining room, we're going to head on over to our living room slash family room area. We decided to combine both. to just make it a better utilized living space. We have, the coffee table here. Once again, this is a table that we had in the family, from my husband's family that we brought over. The chairs were just reupholstered by Evelyn's Creations with this beautiful, I love to call this like a Chanel, or Coco Chanel like styled print with this tweed fabric. We also have the benches that were reupholstered here. These are custom benches that were done with the seat cushions done by Evelyn's Creations. The windows were also done by Evelyn's Creations. We have this nice shade that was done here. So just moving on here, also we have the couch that was also reupholstered. We're still waiting on our pillows to come in because we can't decide on a color we want to use yet. But we had this awesome like sectional that was done here that we're really excited. We love to sit here after a long day, cozy up, watch some TV by the fire, and hang out. And this is our space.
And in addition to that, if you notice, I did something here. I put in what I call, give me a second. I'll tell you right now, a kick-ass sound system.
Moving on to our favorite part of the whole house. We have our breakfast nook and kitchen. This area used to be the formal dining room. We knocked a wall down and made this entire place into our kitchen because we love to cook. We spend the most time in here, cooking, spending time with the family. So we had originally a galley kitchen, and we just redid this whole area that we were really excited about. Adam, I have to attribute, was behind the whole thing because he did everything. He designed the whole kitchen to his liking.
TV to your left. Thank you.
We have the wood stove, the huge peninsula, so we can prepare food, entertain guests, have food on here ready for everybody, and we love this part of the house the most.
I thought to myself, hey Adam, where would your mother want to drink if you were designing a house? And that's right here. That's exactly where she'd want to drink. She'd want to get drunk at this kitchen counter.
Now we're heading upstairs to the master and guest bedrooms. We also redid the bathrooms, so come on and take a look. So this was our guest bedroom. We loved designing this spot because we wanted guests to feel like they were in a hotel room when they were staying with us, and we had a lot of fun designing this area. Frankie, come here, Frankie. Even Frank loves spending. Come here, come. Here's the guest bathroom. We had a lot of fun. Again, we did this as a gray and white theme, like as you've seen throughout the rest of the house. We enjoy spending our time here, and I can't take this seriously because Adam's sitting on the toilet. Like, how am I supposed to do this?
I wasn't sitting on the toilet.
You were sitting on the toilet. Last but not least, our sanctuary, the master bedroom. Once again, still doing some work in here. We're missing our nightstands and a couple other things. But we have this wonderful king bed that was designed by Evelyn's Creations. Even Frank loves the king bed. This awesome headboard that was done and installed by Evelyn's Creations, which we love very much. Custom bench in the back and these shades with the drapery. That's all done by Evelyn's Creations. We're so excited about this.
Every piece of wood built in this place was built by Sound Harbor Development, Gerard Lavelle, and Mike something. Yeah.
They did an amazing job building these custom cabinets all throughout the house and custom closets, shelving. You really can't go wrong with them. They were absolutely incredible.
And they gave me a secret closet, of which I'm not going to tell you what put in there, but I put some dark, deep-rooted childhood stuff in this closet.
We're gonna lead you into the master bathroom, one of our other favorite places here, where we have, you know, his and her sinks, all done by Sound Harbor Development. We have the large bathroom shower that we love to spend time in. It's a steam shower, rain shower we have included. We love using it all the time.
Like the bench.
Yeah, super great place. Now we don't have Gerard from Sound Harbor Development with us here, unfortunately, but we do have Evelyn, the president and owner of Evelyn's Creations. We are so happy that she, of course, could help us put together the whole house. She really added a nice touch to everything, and she's super talented, aside from being my mom.
And she made these good-ass benches, y'all. I mean, look at these things. Look at this bench. It's so comfy. You can literally sleep on the whole thing like this. Look at it. Real nice. Real nice.
All right. So, thank you guys.